GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find a link. It says swing trading and automation. So if you are a serious trader, long-term trader, okay, if you are here just to play around, trading is not for you. Trading is only for people who got the money and they're serious and they want to learn some skill or automate, okay? So I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading. You will not hear that every day from anybody. Swing trading on automation, okay? You do scalping and all the garbage. Lower time frames don't succeed from in the long run. You will lose money in the long run if you do short time frames, okay? But if you want to do higher quality setups using higher time frames, then check out the first link, come to this page here and watch this video and then see the results of last 5 years, okay? I'm not fucking around here. I am showing you the results of last consistent 5 years, okay? If somebody can show you that, okay, I made this much money in 1 month, 6 months, or my automation made money for 1 year, fine, good. But I am showing you 5 years is a long time, mate, okay? So swing trading on automation, go and check out the results for last 5 years right here. And then below that, you will have a Telegram link. Go and join my Telegram if you want some free signals. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what do we got? We got a hammer right here, okay? So if you saw this weekly candle maybe a couple of weeks ago in my Sunday video, I told you right here that we will go up. We are going up now, okay? Remember, guys, not all the time there will be large candle like this or like this or like this, okay? It's about momentum as well. So now we are going up and we will pick up the momentum in the maybe a couple of days to come, or I don't know when, okay? But we are going up, okay? This is your daily time frame. Daily, this is your uptrend. So your entry was right here, okay? So we closed above the EMA on this candle. This was your long entry, and then take your profits maybe until 3600 or 3680, okay? So we still have room for another 100 pips to go up. So right now GBPUSD is 3583 and we can surely go until 3680 in the times to come. When, I don't know, nobody knows, okay? It all depends how much momentum do we have. But we will go for another 100 pips from here on, right? So coming back to 4 hour, in a 4 hour we got, this is your uptrend, pullback, uptrend, so new high. So this was your entry, right? If you put your long tool, where is it? This was your uptrend, pullback, and then this, or exactly this is your candle, okay? So this was your entry, and then take your 1 to 2 and then walk away. Thank me later. This is free money, okay? Nobody else is doing this, what I'm doing for free. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, and click on the first link below, swing trading on automation. Check the results for last 5 years. Come here and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.